Pull up that. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I'm pumped this morning. I'm just in a good mood. And dancehall always get me right, okay? Dancehall and gospel, mixed feelings, but hey, they always get me in the right mood. And this morning I'm in a dancehall kind of mood. You guys, we are on the road this morning. We are on our way to go shopping. We are in sale period right now, so it's winter sale, which means we can now shop for next winter. I have to get the hang of this sale thing because they always pass me by, and then when I'm ready for things I can't get it. So I'm trying to get the hang of the sale thing. So it's sale period started last week Wednesday, and it's the first weekend of sale today. It's the first weekend of sale, so we are going to get some things for the kiddo, especially Tyler, because he's just growing like wild weed. So yeah, that's what we are heading out to do this morning. I got up this morning and made breakfast and started cooking dinner, so that way when I get back I can easily finish up the morning. Good morning. Tyler. Morning. Sarah said morning. Okay, we hear you. What you want to say?
We already passed it, but I wanted to show you when the tram finished to be academy. Past the tunnel, and when it finished to be the tunnel, it turned.
I saw it.
Me too. And there was two trams.
Okay, one was parked. One wasn't moving. Right?
One wasn't moving, one was moving.
Right. Tyler is obsessed with tram and train. He's in a tram and train phase of his life right now. Anyway, you guys, we are heading out in these streets. So let's go and have a good day. And you also have a good day. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe. We love you. And we'll see you guys in a bit. Look at Missy around here. Let me see if I can catch her. There she is. Say morning. No, you're just looking in the camera. You just want the camera, don't you? Don't you? No. Shopping? Ready to go shopping?
Yes.
How do you put
Princess
this?
sleeping. Here?
Yes.
Yeah, that way. We need to find the thing for it. Hold on. Take this, take this, take this, take this. Go tie.
0.
This one. This one.
What you need to find?
There's a thing that goes all the way here and
The way what is
here.
on the side, nothing can fall.
No.
It's just the bottom.
Yeah.
Come, Tyler.
We are ready for shopping, and it's also after lunchtime, but we're going shopping first. If Tyler is hungry, we can have a snack. We don't normally come here late, we normally come early, but your girl have a really rough night, so I decided that we're going the wrong way. No, come here, so. I had a rough night, so I decided that I'm going to sleep. And whenever I get up, I get up.
You're going to sleep.
So I slept. I try at least. And then I woke up, it was after 11. We already slept, baby. So now we're going Primark. Love shopping at Primark. Primark sales are really nice. So Primark it is right now. Primark. Primark? No, Primark.
English?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jen said
Well. Haribo! Tyler don't miss a chance to read. Look at him. He don't miss a chance to read. A lot of stores. You guys know that Primark never fails. Ooh, they have workout outfits, honey. €5 for shirts. €6 for shorts. If I find me some workout outfit, yes. Look, they have nice workout tops. Yes, €6. Oh my God, look at this. €8. Yes, I should find me some workout outfit. If that's the only thing I'm gonna get for myself. I'm back from shopping and jump right into the kitchen. I'm finishing up dinner lunch. Very good. I'm gonna finish cooking right now. Yes, I say goat. You want goat? So let this finish cook. Add a piece of thyme to that. And everybody should be happy. Look at my little sweet girl. Hi. 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 Let's Faith see your outfit of the day. Hi. 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 What's that face? What's that face? Look at this one. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Silly, silly, silly. You guys, I am cooking, so when I finish cooking and eat and belly full, I'll show you guys all the things that I got from Primark. It's funny. Hi! 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 Hello! Hello! Are you gonna sit up? Oh! Big girl! Mama have to go get you a different mat so you have big space to play. Yes? Yes! Mama had to go get you a big mat. Look at her. I think it's safe to say everybody in this house is super hungry. So here goes dinner, lunch real quick. Salads, mutton, just about finished, and rice and peas. So we're gonna grub right now. You guys, I am tired. It's been a long day. but Sarah is done for her nap, so I think it's a perfect time for me to show you guys all the little things that I pick up at Primark. Dinner was so good, finger licking good. Dinner late lunch at 4 p.m, but I'm sure I might have a little bit more before bed. Some salad, some more curry goat. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, we got one big bag of Primark. Yes, I love shopping at Primark. Most of the things for Tyler though, so we got him things for next winter. So we got him 5-6 outfit, 5-6 years. So we got him some shirts. These shirts were, let me tell you, okay, the price not on, but we got these shirts for €2 per one. So this was one long sleeve for €2. This was another one, and we got these sweater shirts for €4 per one, though it's a €6 tag on it. We got it for €4 because it was on sale. And we got them age 5-6. My boy is getting so big, so we got that one. And this is another long sleeve, another one for €2. Well, this one said €2, but we got this one for €1. So that's another one. This is another one of the sweater shirt in age 5-6. And we got him some short sleeve. He didn't really necessarily need any short sleeve, but we just decided to pick him up a few. We got this one for €1. That's one of the short sleeve. Babe, pick up this army one, which I think is super cute. This one is also for €2. And this white one is for €2 also. And another long sleeve for €2. We got him, he wanted mostly long sleeve shirts because his shirts, his long sleeve are like up here now, so we know by next winter you'll definitely grow those out. It's another one, €2. This is another sweater shirt for €4 for this one, just like the others. And we got him some school pants for next year, for next winter, I mean 5-6 age. This was for €4. I think we got him 2 of those. And we got him another one for €4. Okay, I think those were all the things for Tyler. And I saw the opportunity to get me some new workout clothes. So your girl got some new workout clothes. This leggings was for €8, I think. Yeah, this one was for €8, and it have the top to go with it. So yes, I love it. It's so cute. I'm almost finished. You wanted to help me?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you wanted to help me. All right, you can give me the things in the back, but don't make any noise. Your sister is sleeping right there. So this is the pair for this one. Are you gonna give me the things or no? I don't want this. Oh, we got this for Tyler. What is this? Come tell
Monday
the
I'm going to have that one.
You want to wear this Monday?
Yes.
Okay, this is the days of the week socks. So every day you can wear one.
Saturday.
Yes. This is the days of the week. Alright, what else is it? He wanted some new socks, so we got him these. What else in the bag? Don't need that. Oh, I got some 1-year-old pajama for Sarah for next winter. They were on sale for €11. I think they were super cute, so I got these. Okay, this is another workout outfit I got. Take out the rest of the things that's in there. Okay, so I only got 2. I thought I got 3. So only got 2 outfits of workout clothes. So this is the other one that I got. This was also €8. Oh, and the top was for €6, the same this one. So there we go. And these are small.
I love one.
Yeah. And I got myself a new skipping rope because the skipping rope that I got, this had burst off from it. So I finally got me a new skipping rope. Yeah, so that's it. Those are all the things we got. I didn't really see anything else that I wanted, apart from I didn't realize that I want to pick up 2 outfits of workout clothes. I thought it was 3 that I got. So if I knew it was 2, I wasn't really checking. I would have picked up another one because I wanted 3. Anyway, I might go back before sale period finish and get the
Mama, I
others
think
that I
battery
wanted.
going to die.
No, the battery won't die. The battery will die if you see the blinking in orange.
Oh.
Yeah, so those are all the things we got. All of these come up to a little over €70. So that was awesome. My things were the most expensive of everything, €8. All the kind of things were €5 and under.
Mama.
But yeah, those are all the things we got at Primark.
Yeah.
Everything is from Primark, even the skip rope. Sorry, sleeping. I won't send Tyler to take any nap right now because it's after 5 p.m. going to 6, and he has school tomorrow, so by 8 he'll be in bed, so it doesn't make sense for him to take a nap right now. Right, Ty?
Yes.
Alright. Go on! You guys, she's been trying to get that ball over there. Look at her. Go, Mama. Go get it. Go on. Go for it. Go. Go on. You can do it. Go get it. See there? It's up there. Go. Go get it. Go on. One more? Okay. There you go. Go. Go for it. Go on. Go. Go on. Go. Go, baby. Go. You can do it. Go. Go get it. Go for the ball. It's here. It's right here. Look. There it is. Go get it. Yeah. Go get it. Almost. 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 Yes. Almost. Oh, almost. A little bit more. Yes. That's it. That's it. That's it, Mama. Bravo. Oh, it's gone. She's so determined. She have the determination of this entire family. Go, Pop. Go, Mama. Go. This girl is so determined, you guys. I put another carpet on this floor because it's better for her. She needs it. Look at her. My baby is officially crawling. Look at her. Oh, it's gonna move. It's gonna go further. She's been going after that ball. Oh, it got again. And she's not giving up. Her determination is encouraging. If Sarah's determination is not encouraging to y'all, then trust me, y'all need no more motivation than Sarah's determination. Come on, baby, you can do it. She is so determined and she won't stop. Look at her. Look at her. And the minute she catch the ball, it's gonna roll forward, and she's just gonna keep going and keep going. All right, let me move this out of your way. Go on, go get it. Go get your ball. Yes, baby, go get it. Go get your ball. Oh my God, look at Sarah. Look at her. Oh, oh, I hope the teddy bear stop it so it do. Oh my God, she get it. Yay! You did it! You did it, Mama! And she's going after it. Go get it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get it, Mama. Get it. Get it. You get it. You get it. Go, Sarah. Yay! You did it. You never give up. You never give up, and you got it. Good girl. You guys, and that's the end of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys do enjoy. We had a pretty long and eventful day, so hopefully you guys enjoy. And if it's your first time to channel, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and catch up and keep up with the entire fam bam. And go follow me on Instagram, you guys, and turn on your notification bell. And if you don't get a video when your notification is on, don't worry, go to our channel every day, Monday to Friday. A vlog is there, I promise. Can't wait to save my life. Anyway, you guys, see you guys tomorrow.